So this video was shot and edited on my smartphone. I mean, I shot it with my smartphone and I edited it on my smartphone for a Fiverr client. And as you can see, it's cool, it's clean. So just sit back if you want to know how I created this video, how I made this video on my phone.
Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Chisom Belinda, just in case you're watching me for the first time. I promised I was going to create a tutorial on how I normally do my newscasters videos for my Fiverr spokespersons, and a lot of people have reminded me of that severally. I'm really sorry about that. I've been so busy. So here you go. This is that video you've been asking me of. This is that video you've been looking for. So I'm going to show you from A to Z on how I create my newscasters video from start to finish. So pardon me, there are some sounds that you're not going to be hearing in this video to avoid what they call this thing again, copyright claims. So aside from that, I'm teaching you A to Z on how you're going to be creating all that kind of videos. So yeah, right in the video. So stay tuned, and just in case you're here for the first time, please click on the subscribe button and turn on bell notification so you don't miss any of my videos. I love to shoot videos on how to with your smartphone, and then most times I help you to make money on. So I'm sure you might just want to hit the subscribe button and turn on your the bell notification, so you don't miss any of my beautiful and amazing videos. Just stick with me. Let's go right into this video.
First things first, you need a green backdrop, and then your lighting equipment could be artificial. If you don't have artificial, then you have to start with using the sun lights. Just throw open your window or stay in under direct sunlight. And then you're going to be downloading or screen recording, like I did, an intro video, newscaster intro video from YouTube. Just type newscaster intro video from YouTube. Another thing you're going to be downloading is your background. This is the background. I downloaded it from YouTube too. I did a screen record, or probably you can get a photo that looks like this. If you want the blue one, you do that. Then this I have is the header. I also downloaded this from YouTube. I did a screen record of it, so in case you don't know how to download, you can do a screen record like I did from YouTube. So these are the things you need, and then of course the Kinemaster app. So here you go. This is the video I'm going to be using to show you how I edit my newscaster video. So this is a green screen video. I already edited the green screen, my own green screen, into another green screen on this particular video. So it's just the video I'm using to show you, but it's normal. You just shoot on your green screen. Now, if you don't have a green screen, you can make do with green cloth. If you can't afford to buy a green screen yet, you can buy a green cloth, which is going to be cheaper for you. So here you go. I'm going to be showing you how I edit on Kinemaster from A to Z. So let's go. Join me. Here you go. I'm going to go straight into my Kinemaster app. I'm right in my Kinemaster app. So the first thing I want to do is click on the plus button. And I'm going to be selecting 16:9. 16:9. Good. Then next I'll do is go to media. I'm going to go to video to take in. See, I have a folder, newscaster, so I'm going to go right there. Then I'm going to click on this. First of all, my intro video. Then I'll equally click on my background. So I clicked on the both of them at the same time. Then I'll come out. Good. So I'm going to be taking off the volume, because remember what I said, I want to avoid copyright claims. So I'm going to go to mixer to take off the volume, but you're not going to do this, please, because you need the volume for yours. So I just took it off because I'm actually trying to avoid copyright claim. Then right here, I'll come right here in between here, click on plus to put a transition there. Just pick any transition. Okay, that's perfect. It's okay. So I'm going to zoom in. I'm going to zoom in. So I'm going to click on the video, go to pan and zoom. I must click on this equal to sign right here, so that my background does not move up and down like I don't want. So I'll zoom in, make sure it's directly under the made with Kinemaster. That if you've paid for the app, then you're free to leave it like that. So I didn't pay for the app, that's why you can see the Kinemaster watermark, which is still going to show on my video. Then I'll scroll down to this one. I'll click on the video. I will go to pan and zoom to, I'll do the same thing I did right directly under the Kinemaster. Good, so that it can maintain the same position with this other one. That's why you're doing that. So after this, after the intro, if your intro is too long, remember you can always crop it. I have videos on how to use Kinemaster, so I'm cropping it. So if the intro is too long, you know how you crop it. So I think my intro is, if it's okay like this, then fine. Then the next thing I want to do is right from this place. Can you see what I have there? I have it in between where you have the intro and the background. I'll come to layer. From layer, go to media. I have a video on how to use Kinemaster, but I'll just show you. Go to all. Then I'm going to pick down my video. Where is that my video I want to use? Okay, this is it. Then this is my green screen video. I'll go to chroma key, enable it. Can you see my background is getting off? My green background is getting off. Then I'll come right here to adjust. You can do the show marks, so it will give you accuracy. The human has to be white, very white, and the background very black. That's what we're trying to achieve. So let's go. Good, that's perfect. So let's go.
I was this foreign
That is perfect.
kid who wandered
If it's
in
not
the
perfect, I'll still go to click on it, show max. I want to achieve accuracy. Good. So I like the way it looks. It's fine, it's cool enough. Then you see this your intro video. This intro video, we're going to copy this intro video. Yeah, duplicate it. We're going to duplicate it. We're going to be sending this one, hold it and move it to the very end. Yes, we're going to have it at the end too. Good. So we have it in the beginning and we have it at the end. That's what we're trying to achieve. So don't mind the green screen video I have. It's not very necessary, so I'm going to crop the rest out. But remember, if your video is, if you need all of it, all you need to do is click on the background and stretch. Oh, sorry, this background is not long enough for that. So what I'm going to do is just duplicate. Can you see the 3 dots up? Duplicate. Beautiful. So duplicate, but I don't need all that, so I can just I can duplicate as much times as I want to. Then I'll come here to my green background. Let me trim. I just want to trim out that part because I don't need it, so I can finish showing you what I am showing you that it's necessary. So here you go. Okay, let's see how it looks so that we can perfect it. No, it didn't come in well. So what I'm going to do is I'll click on the green screen and add an in animation, which is going to be fade. Fade is the best for it. So let's see what it looks like.
I was this foreign kid.
Good. Now it goes better if you look at it. If you agree with me, it's better. So what next am I going to do? I'm going to pick myself, reduce myself, and take myself right inside the newscaster ring. Inside the newscaster ring. Remember that you can actually zoom out this newscaster background.
Foreign kid who
so let's say I'm not comfortable with it like this, so I don't mind this video. This video is not a newscaster video. See how static I look. Anyways, and the dressing and everything. So in case I want to zoom, I can also zoom out the background. Remember, I zoomed it in, so you can zoom it out using the same method in case you want it zoomed out, like closer to the listing. But I think it's not bad like this. Then let's say your client gave you a video to put in the screen or a picture to put in the screen. Let me do that for you. I'll go to layer and go to media. I'll go to photo. If it's a video, you take the video, you put the video there. So I'm going to go to all. I'm just going to pick a photo. Okay, I'm just going to pick a photo as layer. From layer, remember, then I'll zoom it in and take it to my screen. I'm taking it to my screen. Okay, make sure it is shaped properly. Then another thing I like to do is, after doing that, I come to crop. then mask, and then I go to feather so that it can blend with my screen. Good. So let's see, is it perfectly staying? Yes, it is. Okay, that is it. See, can you see that?
I was
So
this
it's going to
foreign
be on the
kid who
screen while you're
wandered in the
making your
street
video.
of
If it's
a
a
big
video, the
city.
same thing, you can do whatever I did right now to that picture. So that is one part dusted. We have our intro video, we have our background with me already there, so it's moving fine. Remember, you can zoom out, or if you feel you want it closer to your, if you feel you want it zoomed out, then the next thing, remember, you can also always stretch this to fit into to the end. Good. Now after that, the next I'm going to be showing you is how to add the header. So we're going to go back to layer again. Good. So let's say the video
This foreign
started and you
kid.
want the header to come in from here. You're going to go to layer, go to media. Let me go to my newscaster. Good. Newscaster, this is my header. So I'll take off the, yeah, good. Let me take it off. Remember what I said, copyright
Who
claim.
wandered in the street of a big city.
Yeah, so
Asking
that's it. So
strangers
what I'll
for-
do is I will then click on it, go to chroma key, enable chroma key. Can you see it's taking off all of the green background on it? So what I do, let me see what it looks
who
like.
wandered in the street of a big city.
Good. This
Asking
is all I
strangers
need.
for
Then
food.
what I'll do is click on it, move it down, adjust it. I'm adjusting it properly. I'm just busy adjusting it. Good. So it's perfect. So I can now type on it. Probably your clients will definitely have given you what they call it, what they want you to write. So you come to layer, come to text, then I'll write newscaster. I don't know what your client is giving you. There might be phone number and all of that. You click on that. You can change the font. You can change the font to something okay. You can change the fonts, then you can zoom in, you can place it there. So basically that's it. You drag it, remember, to as much how long you want it to be, and then remember you can duplicate if it doesn't reach the end. So this is basically how I create my newscaster video. The sound, this is me. This is it. So I'm sure this has helped. So you can equally download your own backgrounds and everything and try this out. Next, you want to save your video, and after saving the video, you take it to InShot to crop it. Actually, okay, so right here my phone has 4K, so I want to save in 4K. I'll click on export, I'll click on skip, and then I'll be saving it. So I'm exporting this video now. I just want to show you how I normally crop it on InShot. Although my phone, I use an iPhone, so I can crop it from my gallery there. So in case you don't use an iPhone, or probably your phone can't crop it on the gallery there, this is how you crop it. So I'm going to take it straight to InShot. Yeah, from here, click on more, right to more, copy to InShot. So here's my video on InShot. I'm going to go to Canva, and from Canva I'll click on zoom and then zoom it out, as easy as ABCD. Make sure on the Canva you're on 16:9. So that's my video. So I'll make sure I come back to make sure everything is okay. Go to Canva, go to zoom, okay, move it up. So can you see? Make sure you're not making any mistakes. Do what you have to do so it looks perfect, like a pro. So you see, it's all good. Then I'll save my video, and that's that for my client. As easy as ABC.